Today we are going to see 7 reasons why you shouldn't trade in November and December. You're highly welcome in my channel, and in case you are brand new, you're highly welcome. I really welcome you here. This is a channel where we learn forex trading. As I said, 7 reasons why you should not trade in November and also in December. Some traders trade during these seasons, but it is not advisable to trade during these seasons because the forex market is not suitable for trading. When you like the content, please remember to subscribe and also share with your friends, and also write down in the comment below so that I can know your views. I'm happy that I'm here giving you good and brand new content. Yes, for those who don't know me, my name is Ato Forex. Let us dive in and we see the 7 reasons why you should not trade this month and also next month. Right now, we have low market liquidity. Banks and institutional traders start closing their books for the year. This means that since they have been trading from January, they are ending trading so that they can review the trade for the past months, enabling them to plan for the next year. In this month of November and December, the liquidities drop, therefore it makes it so low. So when liquidity drops, the spread always widen, making price movement becomes unpredictable for a trader. You will always be able to see fake breakout and erratic candle movements on your chart. That normally happens in November and December. These are months for the end of the year profit taking. Therefore, large investors and other trading institutions, they close their positions to secure yearly profits. When they close the position, this causes unexpected market reversals and price spark that can easily hit your stop loss. November and December, this is the month where company closes to take off for the holidays. Since November and December are holiday periods, this affects market volume. During Christmas, New Year holidays, and US Thanksgiving, trading desks are half empty, making the market becomes choppy, slow, and inconsistent, which is generally bad for technical analysis. In this month of November and December, there are always unreliable technical signals because there are fewer active traders in the market. This makes your chart pattern and indicator giving you false confirmations, and supports and resistance zones are always broken without following through. There are also high volatility without direction in the market in these months of November and December. You might see sharp price move, but they don't form stable trend. At this moment, scalpers get trapped and swing traders find it very hard to hold positions. There's also something we call brokers adjustment. At this moment of November and December, some brokers change margin requirements or trading conditions around holidays. This can affect your leverage, spread, and even execution speed. November and December, these are the best months to review your trades and plan instead. You should be able to analyze your past trades, plan new strategies, and set goals for the coming year rather than taking risky trades in the months of November and December. If you have liked my content, please subscribe, like, and then share with your friends. Therefore, do not trade these months. If you are to trade this month of November and December, you will be risking on your own. After all, your money is your money and my money is my money. I've already given you clear explanations what happens in these 2 months that can affect market conditions. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.